All right, we've got the whole litter out while she's eating. He's filled out so much in the last couple of days. So here's his brother, his bigger brother. This is my little baby that already has a family. He has the whitest face. His face is the whitest. Gonna have to get some collars so we'll be able to let our kitty parents know who's who. I've been so busy with kitties, I haven't had time to get out of the house today or yesterday. So we haven't picked those little collars up yet. Aren't they just precious? Look at them. Ooh. And this little one definitely has got some silver going on too, and a little white mark on his chest. Little white mark. Well, it's silver actually, it's not white. Hi, baby. My dog loves kittens so much. She needs a new bed buddy, don't ya? It's my Francesca. Weebles wobble. He's just a listening. Look at him. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. I can't wait till they get big enough to put in my bed. At least Bambi's and Felicity's I can put in my bed. They're big enough. Take little siestas with some babies, but they're too little. So we've got a busy bedroom. We've got Francesca in her hut, and then we have Willow's hut, and then Sassy is in my closet because she loves my closet. I have a couple of them that just insist on the closet instead of these big old crates that I have that I use for kitty nests. Babies.